Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel with a new video. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix lags in iPhone if your iPhone is not working smoothly. So this video is for you. Let's start the video. First of all, subscribe the channel, like the video and also share the video and tell me in the comments if you get any information from this channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you get all the information at once. So what you have to do, you have to go to your setting. There are two steps by using which you can get smooth and your mobile will be smooth and you can easily use that. So what you have to do, you have to go in journal of your mobile setting. After going there is an option of backup app refresh. So what you have to do, backup app refresh means if your phone is turned off but the apps will be work in the back, and then when you use the mobile phone it's lagging and it doesn't work smooth. So what you have to do, you have to stop back refresh. Like if you are using phone, the other app that you are not currently use will not refresh and will not use any of your mobile and Wi-Fi, so it doesn't affect your what are you doing, it will smoothly. So this is the one step how you can turn off refreshing rate and your mobile phone will be work smoothly. So let's move to the second step. What is second step? Second step, you have to go to the accessibility. After going there, what you have to do, you have to search for motion. You can see on a screen there's an option of motion in a green icon. You have to press on that and reduce motion. Reduce motion mean it will reduce motions like lagging from your phone and your phone will be working smoothly. So this is second step how you can easily fixing lag in your mobile phone, and after that doing these step your mobile phone will be work smoothly and you do not face any problem like lagging. So hope so friend you like this video. Don't forget to hit the bell icon, subscribe the channel and stay tuned for the more updates. So this is the method. This is two step how by using these two step. One is to turn off refreshing rate and the second is turn on reduce motion.